Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Decor channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited and may you continue to enjoy like this Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing stylish crochet flowers patterns designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing colorful crochet happy Christmas flowers patterns designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, beautiful tablecloths, basket designs, very amazing, colorful crochet, different patterns, designs, ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and share it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country.